Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with real checks. Confirm cables, power, and that each monitor shows a signal. Now open Display Settings, Windows, Settings System Display, Mac OS, System Settings Displays. Once the OS lists multiple screens, click Detect if any are missing. Arrange them roughly to match physical positions and pick which display should be primary. This first pass ensures the system recognizes all three units, so subsequent adjustments apply cleanly and predictably. Once displays are detected, drag their icons to mirror real placement. Align their tops or bottoms so the cursor moves smoothly across edges. Next, set each monitor to its native resolution. You get crisper text and correct UI sizes. Use whole number scaling like 100% or 125% rather than odd fractions to avoid blurry apps. While there, pick appropriate refresh rates and color profiles per screen. This reduces tearing and keeps color consistent across all three setups. Finish by choosing the display mode you need, extend for workspace, duplicate for presentations, and make sure the correct monitor is set as primary so taskbars or docks appear where you expect. Save a profile if your OS or GPU utility supports it, then test with real apps and run a quick color calibration if accuracy matters. If something goes wrong, check cables and ports, update or roll back GPU drivers, and reboot. If still failing, try swapping cables or a different GPU port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.